Hello guys, myself Amrita. Welcome back to our channel TechnoSage. So in this video, we are going to solve next question of our top interview 150 question series, that is best time to buy and sell stock. So let's first understand the problem. You are given an array prices where prices I is the price of given stock on the ith day. So in the example, you can see one input is prices array and each integer is the price of a given stock on a particular day. For example, on day 1, your price of the stock is 7, next day it is 1, next day it is 5, up to so on. So you want to maximize your profit by choosing a single day to buy one stock and choosing a different day in the future to sell that stock. So basically what you need to do, you need to buy a particular stock on one day and on any other day in the future you need to sell that stock and you want to maximize your profit. So how you can maximize your profit? That means you have to buy on the minimum price and you have to sell on the maximum price. Obviously, if you are buying it on Friday, you can't sell it on Thursday, right? You can sell only on the days in the future. You can't go back in time and sell it in the past, right? So return the maximum profit you can achieve from this transaction. So we have to find the maximum profit. That means we have to buy at the minimum price and sell at the maximum price in the future. And if you cannot achieve any profit, return 0. So let's understand how we are going to solve that problem. So let's understand with the same example which has been given, that is prices array, which is 7, 1, 5, 3, 6 and 4, which is your prices at each day. 0th day, 1st, 2nd, 3, 4 and 5. So on the 0th day, price of the stock is 7. On first day, price is 1, second day, price is 5, up to so on. So what do we need to find? We need to find our maximum profit, right? So firstly, we are going to initialize your maximum profit as 0 because we don't know what is the maximum profit. And let's say we are going to buy at the first price itself. So what is your buy price? That is 7, correct? Or we can say price at the 0th index, correct? Price at the 0th index. So now what we are going to do, when you are buying it at 7, you are going to compare it with the values in the future to find your profit. Let's say we say it is our current profit. So let's start comparing it from the index 1. So you are buying it at 7. Let's say you sold it at 1. Is there any profit? 1 minus 7 is 6. So that means you are at loss. So what is your current profit? 1 minus 7, that is minus 6, which is a loss. No profit, right? So we are not going to update the maximum profit. But now you were buying it at 7. Now the price of the stock is 1. So which is minimum? 1, right? So you are going to update your buy price in that case, because I don't want to buy it at 7. I will buy at 1 because 1 is the minimum price till now. So now when buy price is 1, what will be your current profit? You will compare it with the next value, that is 5, correct? So 5 minus 1, what it is? 4. 4 is your current profit, right? So till now what is your maximum profit? 4. So you are going to update your maximum profit. Now the price of the stock is 5. Which is minimum, 1 or 5? 1, right? So we don't update our buy price, correct? So move on to the next index. Buy price is still 1 and we will see what is the next price. Next price is 3. That means you can try to sell it as 3. 3 minus 1, which is 2. Still the maximum profit remains 4. Move on to the next index, that is 6. So now 6 minus buy price is still 1. 6 minus 1 is 5. So now 5 and 4, which is the maximum profit? 5. So we are going to update the maximum profit. Buy price is still minimum, so it remains the same. Move on to the next index, 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. Still your maximum profit remains the same, 5, correct? So we have reached till the last index and we found that minimum price is 1 and maximum profit. So that means what would be your output? Maximum profit would be 5. Correct? So this should be your output. Correct? So now let's write the programmatical solution for it. So this is our class, that is best time to buy and sell stock. So let's write our method, that would be public static int, because it is going to return your maximum profit and the input would be prices array, right? So now firstly let's initialize your length, that would be n prices dot length, right? And now what we are going to do, we are going to initialize your maximum profit as 0, right? So in that case there is no profit, so it is going to return maximum profit as 0. Let's also say buy price would be your price at the 0 index, correct? The first price. And we are going to start loop from I1 till the length of the array. And we are going to find our current profit, which would be your price at index I minus your buy price, right? This is how we find the current profit. And then we are going to check if your current profit is greater than the maximum profit, then update the maximum profit. Correct? And also if price at index I is less than your buy price, then we are going to update the buy price, because we want the buy price as the minimum price and profit as the maximum profit. And at the end we are going to return the maximum profit. Now let's write our main function, that would be public static void main string args. Let's take the input array, that was 715364, 715364, right? And write your print statement. Let's call the method max profit and the input is prices array. So let's run the program. So you can see here the maximum profit is 5, because we are buying at minimum price as 1 and selling at price 6 in the future. So this is how we need to write the solution for it. I hope you understood the solution. Now let's test it with the other example as well, where we don't have any profit. 7, 6, 4, 3 and 1, right? So in this case you can see the loss only, because the price of the stock is decreasing day by day. So our max profit should be 0 in this case. So you can see here the maximum profit is 0. I hope you understood the solution. Now let's test it in the Leetcode as well. So let's copy the code. Let's paste it here. Let's run the program. So we can see here it is accepted and the runtime is 0 milliseconds. So you can submit the solution. So the time complexity of this approach would be O of n, since we are using only one loop, and time and space complexity would be O of 1. I hope you understood the solution. If you have any questions, any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. And let's keep on solving the more Leetcode problems. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. And if you liked the video, please provide your valuable comments. Thank you for watching, guys.